rolling.
Yo YouTube, I'm back again with another unboxing. This time we have a lot of unboxing gonna do. Next month again we're gonna do unboxing again.
What your face?
Yeah,
What is that?
every month we're gonna unboxing.
Are you sure? But how did you do your unboxing? Did you disinfect them?
Yeah, already. Not
Okay.
me. My mom already put alcohol in the box, in the everything. And we're gonna unbox now the Akko for Tour Tokyo edition.
Ooh, why
This is the one.
pink?
Yeah, I love pink color. Now, here's the information. Okay, let's read it. The dimension is 350, 60, 126, then 38 ml. I don't know what is that.
Millimeter.
126 and 38 millimeter, and the weight is 85 kilo, and the cable is 1.5 meter. That's quite long, and it's already like USB Type C. This is good, and this is 84 key. Yeah, this is 84 key. Before I'm using like Logitech G Pro, that's like 10 key less, but now I choose the 84 key. It's more smaller, and then the kind of the caps, the key caps is like PBT. I don't know what is PBT.
Okay, let's check it
Maybe
out.
that's the kind of plastic PBT.
Yeah, maybe not. I don't know also.
And then it's Bluetooth, or also Bluetooth,
Wow.
but this is too bad. This is not RGB.
It's okay.
Yeah. Okay. Here's the box.
Ooh,
The packaging is nice. I like the packaging.
because it's pink.
Nice.
Can
Quite.
you focus?
Yeah.
Akko.
Akko.
Okay, open.
I don't know what is this brand.
Akko.
This is Japanese brand or Chinese brand.
It's a Japanese brand because
Open.
it's Tokyo.
Let's see.
Dun, dun, dun.
Ta-da-da. Here we go.
Ooh.
Okay, inside the box, they have dust cover. This is the dust cover.
That's covered.
Yeah, and here's the keyboard.
Wow, still
Before let's open the keyboard, let's check is anything here. They have extra cups.
Wow.
Nice, so good. Then they have key puller for pulling the key, and then here's the cable. Pink also.
Pink also.
I like it. It's USB Type C. That's cool. That's nice.
Okay.
And that's it, I think. And then let's open the keyboard. It's nice. It's heavy. It's like made from plastic and metal inside.
Can you focus?
Here's the keyboard. It's smaller than my Logitech G Pro.
Nice. They have I think that's the Mount Fuji.
Mount Fuji. Yeah,
Yes,
that's about Fuji.
Mount Fuji with the sun and also cherry blossoms. It's so cool.
Cool. This is cool. I like it.
Okay, so who do you want to thank? Your sponsor?
My mom. Eye Candy. Please subscribe on Eye Candy, her random adventure. Please subscribe there. That's my sponsor.
Thank you.
And let's see the keycaps. What is the design of the keycap? This the one. The Japanese fish. I don't know what
Oh,
it is.
so cute. Coin. I don't know.
It's like a kite. And the other one, Japanese girl.
Oh, it's so cute.
And next, the Japanese cat.
Oh.
I think I will use this so I can win in Fortnite. This is my lucky.
Lucky cat.
Yeah, lucky cat.
It's a lucky cat.
I will use that. And another cat, another lucky cat.
Okay.
And then so many. Another lucky cat, so many lucky
so
cat.
lucky
I will win. I will win.
I hope you will win.
Cat again. I think a
It's
lot.
all cats.
They have cat, and this one.
What is that? Oh,
The
that's-
Japanese.
Yeah, the Japanese, like I forgot what it's called. I always see that in temples.
Yeah, and then the pan,
Yeah, Japanese fan and
and I think this is the cherry tree.
cherry blossom tree.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, let's see. let's hear. Want to hear the sound test?
Okay.
Come, near, so we can hear. The sound test is quite cool. It's not a little bit noisy because I choose Cherry Blue. This is the MX Cherry Blue. They have also MX Cherry Pink, but I don't choose that because I want the clicky one. Okay, see you tomorrow. I will gaming. See you there.